Freezing raw potatoes, the ultimate guide.
Hello, potato enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to explore a topic many of you have asked about. How long can you freeze raw potatoes before they go bad? This information can be really useful, whether you're looking to meal prep or just trying to keep some extra spuds fresh for longer.
Can you freeze raw potatoes?
Yes, you absolutely can freeze raw potatoes. But there's a catch. Raw potatoes have a high water content, which can cause them to become mushy or discolored when frozen and then thawed. Because of this, it's generally recommended to blanch your potatoes before freezing them. Blanching involves briefly boiling the potatoes, then cooling them quickly in cold water, which helps maintain their texture and color during the freezing process.
How do you properly freeze potatoes?
To properly freeze potatoes, you'll want to start by cleaning and peeling them, although peeling is optional and based on personal preference. Next, cut your potatoes into the desired shape and size, then blanch them in boiling water for a few minutes. After blanching, drain and cool the potatoes quickly in ice water, then dry them thoroughly. Once your potatoes are dry, spread them out on a baking sheet and freeze them in a single layer. After they're fully frozen, transfer the potatoes to a freezer-safe bag or container. Remember, proper preparation is key to maintaining the quality of your frozen potatoes.
How long can you freeze raw potatoes?
Now, onto the main question. How long can you freeze raw potatoes before they go bad? If you've followed the preparation steps and stored them in an airtight, freezer-safe container, your blanched, frozen potatoes should stay at best quality for about 10 to 12 months. Beyond that, the potatoes are still safe to eat, but their texture and flavor may start to degrade. So, there you have it. While raw potatoes can be frozen, a little preparation in the form of blanching goes a long way in preserving their quality. And, properly stored, they should last in your freezer for about a year. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy potato freezing!